like a Dutch Shepherd mix.
Oh yeah, some kind of poodle.
It's very cool. Oh, I see. It looks like
It's like a
poodle.
poodle.
Actually,
Yeah.
I didn't see that at first.
Somebody there.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm Officer May with the Blacksburg Police Department.
I'm Officer Howard.
I'm here. I was hoping to maybe talk to you guys about something that happened on December 19th, an incident. Are you Miss San Juan?
I am.
How do you say your first name?
Minerva.
Minerva?
Yeah.
I was
So
wondering
let me
if
say, because
we... Yeah,
I'm freezing.
no, absolutely. Sorry, not trying to
No, that's
freeze you.
okay.
Friendly dog?
Yeah.
Okay.
Totally. He's a fool.
Hey, pup.
Oh,
He just thinks, life is all about hugging.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
And we can talk wherever you're comfortable with
Come on
it.
in, come on in.
Hopefully I won't
room
take
so
up too
we
much
can
of your
all
time.
sit down. Right, we'll do it fast, but at least we'll be sitting down.
Absolutely.
There you go.
And I might stand up just because I've been sitting down
Oh,
all
that's
day.
fine. Whatever
If you're okay
you
with
like.
that.
Now
So-
tell me when the 19th was.
So, the 19th of December, like I said, I'm Officer Mayhew with the Blacksburg Police Department. I'm here because on the 19th of December, so a couple weeks ago, around 2 o'clock or so in the afternoon, your vehicle was involved, and it looked like it might have been you sitting in the passenger seat, maybe a little road rage incident where someone was assaulted.
All we have is
It's the black Toyota that's out there, yeah.
So I wasn't driving because I'm not driving
Yeah,
anymore.
it looked like you were in the passenger seat of it.
I don't remember this.
Okay.
Isn't that weird? My son just left,
Okay.
so he should be back shortly. I don't know. I don't think he has his phone with
Okay,
him.
well, if you don't mind, I'll just show you a picture of it. So
Yeah.
essentially what happened during this is it looked like it might have been a car that kind of cut whoever was driving your vehicle off. And
Danny?
maybe there's
How
an
you
incident.
doing?
Hi!
Oh, you are here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Hi, I'm Officer Mayhew with the
How you
Blacksburg
doing?
Police
I'm
Department.
Officer Howard.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm just here, I'm hoping maybe you can give
They
me a
don't
little
want to see
insight
anything.
about an incident that occurred on December 19th.
Okay.
I guess this was involving maybe you were cut off while you were driving her car, and maybe there's an incident afterwards. There's the gentleman that happened with, he's got dash cam footage and everything, so I was able to get the tag number, and
Okay.
I got a picture of you and stuff. I was hoping maybe you could just provide me a little insight and kind of what happened
Sure,
that day, if you don't mind.
We were coming home and we turned off of Price's Fork onto, I think it's Heather right
And before
here.
you start, this is completely, you don't have to tell me, you can
That's
tell
fine.
us to leave anytime you want, okay?
Okay. So I got into the turn lane and he was just speeding and he sped and got in front of us in the turn lane.
Okay.
Right at the
Oh,
end,
that
right where the light was.
Okay.
And so when we came into the complex, we stopped at the stop sign and then I followed him to the parking lot that he was at. And I got out of the car and I said, hey, did you know that you cut me off? Could you drive a little safer? And as soon as he rolled down the window, his first response to me was, fuck off. And I said, okay, man, calm down. I'm just trying to tell you you're not driving too safe. And then I believe he tried to get out of the car, and so I got worried he was going to try to hit me, so I pushed him back in the car, and then we tussled a little bit, and then he swore at me quite a bit more. He knocked my glasses off my face under his car, swore at me, I think, a little bit more,
Yeah.
and said, I've got a dash cam, you're in trouble, buddy, or something like that. Sped off in the parking lot. I think he was scared. I really didn't want it to be an incident. I was just trying to tell the guy to be a little bit safer.
Okay.
Because when we were coming in, you're slowing down right there. There's always bumper incidents right there because they come in the front there. And so he sped off into the parking lot. He came back around. He yelled at me some more. I said, I was just trying to tell you to drive safe, man. I don't think I swore at him the whole time. I was pretty nice.
I don't think you did.
And
no.
he took off. I apologized. I think he was maybe,
Okay.
because he dropped somebody off. And so I apologized to the guy that was there because he was suddenly, it was like one of the students from Tech, I think.
Okay.
And so he was kind of stuck up in this incident, so I apologized to him, got in my car and drove home.
Okay. If you don't mind, do you have an ID on you right now?
I only have like an expired ID.
That'll work. That's
Okay.
fine. You got it on you?
Yeah.
Downstairs? Okay. We'll just wait up here.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Yeah, it was that incident. It's kind of transpired,
Did
and
the
that's
guy
why
get
we're
scared?
here.
Dammy's so big.
Yeah.
And when he's talking, like, he's very serious. So, yeah. But
Yeah.
it's very functional.
Yeah.
You know.
Just the two of
Like
you
when-
guys live here?
Yes, he's my son.
Okay.
I have, my other two sons also live in Blacksburg.
Okay.
So, but yeah.
It's kind
How
of
long you guys-
everyone's local.
How
Yeah.
long you guys been in the area?
Oh, we just came maybe 4 years.
Yeah.
Danny and I, 4 years maybe. But the first one, my oldest one went to Tech.
Okay.
And then after he graduated, he stayed. He has a job. You know, he's just stayed. And then the youngest one, not that young, just my youngest one, he came to be with his big brother. My husband died,
Yeah.
and so
I'm sorry to hear that.
David and Damon are very
Close.
Yeah.
That's good.
And Danny his idea is that he has to take care of me very good, and he does.
I like that you named all your sons with D's. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
I like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. He is. The only thing is if you can push him to go get more recent ID, because he goes with me, but he won't
Update his license.
And it's just he's being pig-headed because he doesn't do anything. He's been,
Yeah.
But you'll see. That's my granddaughter. Look, isn't she adorable?
She's a cutie.
It's very
Yeah,
cute.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if he's having trouble finding his ID, we can just use his first name and last name.
It's his room.
It's a
Not,
mess.
yeah, it's not that he can't find it. It's just,
Okay.
yeah, it's just going to take a minute, I'm sure. Do you want to sit down? Do we
No,
have
it's-
No, it's
something
no
to
problem.
drink?
I don't.
water.
I don't like to sit on
appreciate it.
people's furniture with all this gear on because I might
Yeah.
rip something and something gets stuck.
You all do look like big.
It's because it's cold outside. We got on multiple
Well,
later.
Yeah. I hope you guys have been able to stay warm.
9 this morning.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, it was very, very cold.
Yeah. I'm hoping you guys have been able to stay warm. It's been cold.
We have been. I don't know what will happen to how much it costs.
Yeah. I mean, it'll be expensive. Couple
Yeah.
months.
Yeah.
Expensive couple months for sure.
Yeah.
Just go holler at him and tell him.
Yeah, just let him know if you can't find it.
What's his name again? David?
Danny?
Danny? Hey, Danny. We can just write your name and date of birth down if you can't find your ID.
I have an old Virginia one. I don't know if it's
Or you know
legible.
your social off your top of your head.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Thank you. You can go ahead with it.
So
Just see if you get that back real quick.
Yeah.
So, Danny,
409 RV. I have a 27
the
through
reason we're
social.
here is that guy, he wants to press charges on you. So
Okay.
I just want to be completely upfront and transparent with you. So that's probably what we're going to do once we go to the police department. Serve it on you.
Okay.
Or I can come back out here and do it.
Are you guys gonna have to put me up for the night or anything?
It just depends. Do you have any type of criminal history or anything?
No.
Okay, sometimes they allow us to do it like as a permitted, so sometimes we're allowed to just serve it like a summons.
Okay.
But it'll depend. I can call you and let you know
Okay.
whether it goes. With that being said,
The only thing is I take care of my mom,
okay.
so it's just arranging somebody
Okay.
else to be here.
So with that being said, and want to press charges against you for that, you're more than welcome on the other side to do the same thing. To do that, you can go talk to a magistrate as well. Okay.
Okay.
I just have to go off what I saw in the body cam footage, and I want to be upfront as I can with you. Do you have any questions about that so far?
No, is that available to me too?
Yes. So, but you would have to go and present it to the magistrate.
Okay.
Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the police department, just him and I. You can stay here. I'm going to get a good phone number from you so I can call you and let you know if it can be served as like a summons or if I have to come here and serve it.
Okay.
It doesn't sound like that you have a driver's license though, so you can't be driving, okay?
Quick
What's
question.
a good phone number for you, Danny?
Mom's cell.
Okay. And then he's got a
Quick question. What's your first name?
Martin, here.
Okay, so it's Martin McGraw.
Yeah, Martin Daniel McGraw.
Martin
Okay.
Daniel McGraw. Okay.
I thought your first name was Daniel.
Yeah, I've gone by Dan since
Okay.
third grade. And there's my date of birth if you want that too. I don't know if that helped, but it's got the old. They don't do the social on the driver's license.
No, yeah, that one's an older one. They've switched up since then. Now they got some different ones, but
Yeah, that's why I don't have a driver's license right now is because I don't have the documentation. What is it, the real ID?
the real ID.
Yeah, the real ID.
It's kinda, and like I don't have a birth certificate that's from 2010 and beyond. So I have to call Georgia to get one. And to get one, I need a proper ID to get
Yeah.
from them. So I don't know how I'm supposed to do that.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go into this work now, making this, and I'll call you and let you know what's going on. Hopefully, if it's a summons, I can come out here and serve it on you and just give you a copy of it, okay?
Okay.
But sometimes they do make us actually rescue and bring you in front of the magistrate's office and you will fall in hearing. So that isn't, even if that happens, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna spend the night in jail or anything like that, okay? So I don't want you, and see you're getting upset, don't catastrophize.
I'm not getting upset. I'm just worried about her, so I just have to have
Yeah,
some.
don't catastrophize. I think she said you have brothers that live locally as well.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay. We'll figure it out, okay?
Okay.
I'll give you a call and let you know. Okay, I'll call the number you gave me. It's her cell phone, right?
Yep, it's
All
on
right.
charge.
Thank you, Danny. Appreciate it.
No problem.